When working with tables in Microsoft Word, you can quickly add and remove rows by using the Table Layout tab. You can insert rows in any part of your table, not just the top and bottom. You can also copy and paste existing rows so that the exact content is duplicated. Adding rows to tables. Select the row you want to insert a new row above or below. To insert multiple rows at once, you'll need to select as many rows as you want to create by clicking and dragging your mouse. Click the Table Layout tab. Click Insert Above to insert a row above the selected row. This will insert blank rows with the same row formatting directly above the row you selected. Click Insert Left or Insert Right to insert a column to the left or right of the selected cell instead. Click Insert Below to insert a row below the selected row. This will insert blank rows with the same row formatting directly below the row you selected. Use the Tab key to quickly add new rows at the end of a table. You can place your cursor in the last cell of your table and press the Tab key to create a new row. This will only insert rows below the last row on your table. Deleting rows. Highlight the row or rows you want to delete. You can click and drag to highlight multiple rows or simply select a single cell in the row you want to delete. Click the Table Layout tab. Click the Delete button and select Delete Rows. This will delete the row or rows that you have selected. All of the content in each of the deleted rows cells will be deleted as well. Copying and pasting rows. Highlight the row or rows that you want to copy. Make sure to highlight the entire row, or the new row will not have all of the cells. You can highlight one or more rows by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Right-click a cell in the row above where you want to insert the copy. When you paste a copied row, it will be inserted directly beneath the row you right-click on. Select Insert as New Rows from the Paste options. This will insert the copied row as a new row in the table, directly beneath the row that you right-clicked. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.